Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years. We're dedicated to delivering quality auto parts, expert customer service, fast and free shipping, all backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. So visit us at 1AAuto.com, your trusted source for quality auto parts.
In this video, we're going to be working with our 2008 Chevy Equinox. We're going to show you how to remove and replace your rear window motor. If you like this video, please click subscribe. We have a ton more information on this and many other vehicles. And if you ever need parts for your car, you can follow the link down in the description over to 1AAuto.com. Here are the items you'll need for this repair. Place a piece of tape along the edge of the wiper blade so we have a reference point for where we need to reinstall it. Using a small flat blade screwdriver, pry off the cover for the wiper arm bolt. Just kind of work your way around there once you get it loose. Using a 13mm socket and ratchet, hold the wiper arm and loosen the nut. Work the base of the wiper arm off of the stud. These are splines, so you might have to just kind of wiggle them up and down and back and forth a little to get them to free up. You have access to a small 2-jaw puller or a wiper puller. You can place that underneath and tighten it down on the center stud. And then for ours in particular, it's a 19mm socket and ratchet to tighten it down. Yours may be different. Remove your puller and remove the wiper arm from the stud. Open your hatch and remove the 2 T30 Torx screws at the bottom here by the latch. We'll do this with the T30 Torx socket, ratchet, and extension. Now, in order to remove the rear panel, we'll have to move the top and both side panels to get it off safely. We'll use our interior trim removal tool and carefully pry the panel out. Do the same thing for both sides. These actually, the side panels pop in toward the middle. You'll want to make sure you lift up and bring it around the wiring for the defrosters. You don't want to risk breaking those. Ow. Now the bottom panel should be loose enough that we can pop it out by hand. Remove that from the vehicle as well. Carefully remove the weather shielding from the inside of the liftgate. To do this, you'll just gently pull down and release the adhesive. Be sure to pull nice and close. Don't pull too hard because you could tear this foam liner and create wind noises or air leaks, which would allow cold air into the vehicle. Remove the panel, being careful not to kink it, tear it, or fold it over on itself. And place it somewhere safe. Remove the 3 10mm bolts securing the wiper motor to the inside of your liftgate. We'll do this with a socket, ratchet, and extension. Remove the wiper motor assembly. Pull up on the safety tab. Using a small flat blade screwdriver, pry up and release the safety tab. Push down and release the connector to remove your motor. Reinstall the connector onto the wiper motor. Snap the safety back into place. Now you'll send this shaft through the rubber grommet in the back of the hatch, and then line up all of your 10mm bolt holes. Start all of your 10mm bolts by hand to make sure that everything is aligned before tightening them down with your socket and ratchet. Reinstall your weather shielding. Just press the edges with the adhesive back down where they went. You can usually still see the line. Make sure that all the openings allow access to these holes where our panel will snap back into place. Make sure everything is pressed down nice and tight and evenly so you don't have any air leaks or wind noise. And snap your panel back into place. Line up the tabs and your panel. Snap everything back into place. Reinstall the side panels. Once the side panels are reinstalled, you can install the top. Reinstall your two T30 Torx screws at the bottom panel. Close the hatch. Line up the wiper blade with your tape mark you made earlier. Push the arm down onto the splines and start the 13mm nut, which will then hold the arm in place and tighten that down with our 13 socket and ratchet. Make sure that it seats fully on the splines and that you can't slide it past them one way or the other. And pop the cover back over the nut. Remove the tape from the glass and you're good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.